Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you how to disconnect airbag on a Dodge vehicle, guys. Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. Okay, all of them will use almost the same connector for their airbags. Now, what do you guys need to do? First, I wouldn't recommend doing anything to the airbag unless you're qualified to do that, because that thing can kill you. Second, if you decide to do something, consider this an entertaining video, not a how-to video. Disconnect your car battery. Okay, get it out of the vehicle for at least 1 hour before you're about to start working on the airbag system, because that way the computer will discharge and there will be a lower possibility of that thing exploding and killing you. So that's a very dangerous job, guys. Now, how you do that? Ours, we have the battery disconnected. It's been disconnected almost 2 hours now. We removed it, but I want to show you how to disconnect, how to remove the connectors. So, let us show you now, right here. You can see those are the airbag connectors that Chrysler, Jeep and Dodge, they like to use. So, never ever work with metal tools here. If you work with any tools, only plastic tools. So, those are the connectors, guys, and if you try to twist those left or right, you have two very gentle pins in each connector that you're going to damage, and you can say bye-bye to your connector and your airbag, and it can even deploy that thing and it can kill you. So, how you guys remove and replace those? Now, you can see there is two little teeth, one here, one over there. With your fingers, guys, with your fingers, grab those things, push them towards each other, and never ever turn left or right. You have to pull the airbag connector straight out. If it's not coming out, you didn't press it all the way good. So press in, pull out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now the same thing on the black one. Okay, two connectors, one here, one there. Press in, pull out. The airbag comes out of the way. Now, you can see those are the connectors, and you cannot twist them because you can see how they're shaped. And the pins in the airbag, check out how gentle those things are. Okay, you're going to damage those things, so be careful. Now, that's how you guys disconnect airbag on Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep. That's how you disconnect the connectors. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.